Hey everyone, welcome back to FixItTechPro. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase image quality in Canva in just a few easy steps. If your photos look blurry, pixelated, or low resolution, this tutorial will fix it. So let's get started. First, open Canva and go to the project where your image is added. Click on the image you want to improve. Go to Apps, search Upscale Image. Upload your image, then select Upscale Resolution. I suggest choosing 16:9, then click on Upscale. Now it will take a little time to create the high resolution image. Now, click the share option at the top right corner, then select download. Choose your preferred file type and click download again. Now you'll see your image in higher resolution. And that's it. This is how you can increase image quality in Canva easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech solutions from FixItTechPro.